To share with you a journal that I've made, and this one is using a digital kit from Tsunami Rose, and I will link that below. It's all lovely vintage flowers, and there's a nice collection of that. So it's a soft cover. I've chosen this cardstock because it's got flowers and the kit is flowers. I've kind of inked it up around the edges because obviously there's a lot of white on it, so I didn't want it looking too stark. I've done a ruffle here with some fluffy trim there, and then this pearl bead, like a flat back bead string. Some music paper. There is a bingo card that you can't really see now. This image was just in my stash, and that's from Artie Mays, and I used that because obviously it's got flowers on it. Some cheesecloth in the background, and my usual, I have sewn the sewn the designer cardstock onto some white cardstock, just to strengthen the cover. I've got this pom-pom trim here. So let's go inside. So these are the pages from the kit, and I love the flowers, they're so pretty. And like most of Daisy's digital kits, there's always room on the pages for journaling as well. So here I've just made a pocket using one of the pages. I used it to do other things throughout the journal as well. This is one of the bowl jars from the kit. Use some vintage ephemera from Tsunami Rose as well, and this is also from Tsunami Rose, and these are from the kit. These are actually tabs, but I've cut the tabs off. I don't know what it is, I'm not overly keen on the tabs, so I always cut them off. I think I'm just lazy and don't want to fussy cut around them, but yeah, I've used them. Some digital music paper, some Edith Holden. I've done some light stenciling on some of the pages. Another page from the kit, but I just made like a full envelope flip out for that, so that just goes on there. And the paper clip holds it on. And we have a library card from the kit, a large tag that I've made, and then some ephemera. These are one of my pockets that you see me do the other day. I've done a tutorial on them, so I had one left over and I've made another one to put in this journal. So that pops in there, and then I just made just a little flip note page there with some of Daisy's journal cards. And another page from the kit. We have another bowl jar with some library cards from the kit. This is from Tsunami Rose as well, as is this. And oh, and this flips out. And this is an idea from Terry Woods that I've spoke about many times. You can find Terry Wood on YouTube. She's got quite a few tutorials on what to do with paper to make flip out pockets, which is a great idea. We have a doily here. There's just some additional writing paper there, some edge punching, some more of the digital paper. Here I just made an envelope pocket, and we have a large tag inside the envelope pocket. Bingo card from the kit. Some more journaling cards. This is one of the files, but the tab's off. Some more music paper, some more Edith Holden. Here is just a little flip out, and this is an envelope from the kit. There's nothing inside the envelope. Journal was kind of getting chunky. Some stamping, another doily, some more writing paper. This will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested, and there is a 10% sale at the moment, and the code will be below. Some more of that paper and a doily. Another envelope. The journal actually measures 7 3/4 by 5 inches, and it has 84 pages front and back. And another envelope pocket here that just tucked there behind, but it's also open so that you can tuck things inside of the top of the envelope. Some journaling cards and a library card and another bingo card. Some more writing paper. Here we have another Terry Woods flip out, and that flips out like so. And one of the bowl jars, some ephemera, another bingo card and a journaling card, and we just have a doily ticket and a butterfly. Another one of the kind of full envelopes, and tucked behind there is just some ephemera, a tag and a library card, and that is the full envelope. And tucked onto the other side of that is another one of these pockets that I made. This is a little bit different. Just used some scraps in my my scrap tub to make that one, and then there's another little fold out there that you can journal on. Edith Holden, some music paper, and here I've just done a double pocket with some more journaling cards and some ephemera. So like I said, I will link Daisy's shop below, and how did I have that? I think I might have had it like this, probably not. I'll link Daisy's shop below. I will link my shop below as well if you're interested in making a purchase, and like I said, don't forget the 10% off. I do have a few journals on there that I've reduced at the moment down to £25, that's UK prices, plus you can use the 10% discount to get a little bit more off, and there you go. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.